Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ping Ping, and for today's video, we will install Omarchy in our Minisforum. Yay! Okay, and that is using a bootable USB that you put the ISO inside the USB and then you install it in your computer. But of course, we have to use Rufus and then put it in our USB. Okay, I have a previous video that I installed Omarchy in my virtual machine and it did not go as planned. So now in this video, I will try to install Omarchy in my computer and use it as my OS or operating system using the bootable USB. So let's get started. Let's go. First, we have to download Rufus. So I'm in the Rufus website. Let's go. And then we are going to download this one. All right. Click that. Ay, shit. Sorry, guys. There's an ads. We have to delete the ads. Close that. Don't click anything on the ads, okay? It's downloaded. It's here. Okay, we are going to open. All right. We'll do, that is our device, our USB. So this is our disk. We'll go select and we'll go to Omarchy and then we'll go to open and it's working. We are going to click start. All right, yes, and okay, and booming, working. All right, guys, we're getting close. 98, 99, 100. All right, perfect. Okay, click close. Boom. Perfect. Let's go and boot our USB with ISO of Omarchy. Okay, F2 if you want to boot your Minisforum to BIOS. Before we start, don't forget to turn off secure boot. So that's under security. Now let's go here, hit enter, and hit enter and then click disable. Boom, and then escape and enter on boot option 1 and then choose the flash drive, hit enter. Boom. All right, and then F10 to save. Here's F10 and yes, forum. All right, that's our full name. We don't have email address. Enter. No host name. All right, we'll look for our time zone. United States of America. I can also use guys Philippines because I'm from the Philippines. Okay, fine. We'll just do the United States. Okay, we got it. America, Chicago. Okay, click yes. What we want. Hit enter. And yes, we can do that. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, you stand by there. You have to shut down your computer and then unplug the USB. Okay, let's power it on. As we're able to install Omarchy now, we are going to log in. Let's get it on. What is our password? Boom, 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 boom. Guys, it's recorded. excited. Okay. Wow, I love it. So guys, there is some system update that we need to follow. When you have internet, click update. So we have to connect to our Wi-Fi. Where's the Wi-Fi here? Guys, I was able to connect to my home Wi-Fi. For you to connect to your home Wi-Fi, you just click the Wi-Fi symbol here, and then you use tab on your keyboard to look for your Wi-Fi name, and then you press the space bar, and then you put your password, and you're all set. Okay, so here is the update. We'll click update, and oh, it needs a password. Okay, we'll put password. 1 second. Now it's updating. Awesome. All right. Log in, let's go.
Yeah, boy. That's
beautiful. So beautiful. All right, now we'll go and look for OBS again, and apps, and then OBS. Let's try if I can set up screen record. The formula failed to open. Please update. Okay. Open OBS. Let's go to plus sign, and then we'll add sources. So we add scene number 2. Click OK, and then for our source we will do capture. All right, okay. Here we'll do window. Click OK. There you go, guys. We were able to do it. Screen capture, pipe, wire, and then inside we can make it. All right, OBS is running. Now let's do start recording, and then we'll go to number 2. Oh, I love it. So here are the things that we're going to test in our Omarchy. Number 1, we already did OBS. It's now recording OBS. We'll make sure we save it. Control S, and we'll save it in our desktop and save, so we will not lose it. All right, awesome. And then we're going to try Journal plus for notes. All right, next we're going to try YouTube. Next we're going to try Word, Excel, PowerPoint. All right, that's it. Okay, so we already tried OBS. It's now recording. Let's check our recording. File, show recordings. Here you go. YouTube. Awesome. Oh, perfect. YouTube is here. All right, let's search for my YouTube channel, guys. Ping Tech Talk. All right, let's see. Here you go, guys. Subscribe my YouTube channel. All right. Okay. All right, guys, we are going to use Chromium, not Google Chrome. but Chromium for Googling. Look at that. And then let's try Facebook. Awesome. Oh, log in. Of course, I will not log in. Okay. But very fast. Oh my God, this is so good. I love it. So we tried OBS, we tried journal notes, YouTube, and then let's close this. And for Word, Excel, and Google Docs, I think they use Libra. So Libra is their office. So LibreOffice, so let's go. Boom. So we need writer document. Next, apply, close. All right, test. Test doc, Control S. Okay, we're going to save it in our home desktop. And all right, Alt F11, click save. So guys, my realization after using the Omarchy for a few hours is that it's a very good Linux distribution. It's very lightweight, it's very fast. Even I'm just using a very basic Minisforum. So the one I'm using is model UN100P, and the CPU of this is just very basic CPU, like, you know, not very powerful, just like a simple, very basic CPU. But the Omarchy perform well in this Minisforum. So I highly recommend installing this Linux distribution Omarchy and try it in even just your basic computer. It's really good, and I'll keep using it for the next few weeks to come, and I'll give my experience as I learn in this new Linux distribution. All right, bye and enjoy installing. Okay, don't subscribe. All right guys, subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.